Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing good. Beautiful day outside today. Got a whole lot of sunshine, so I'm ready to work on the car. So looking at my engine bay, right, there's one of the biggest things, other than, you know, the bright green wiring harness, one of the biggest things that you notice is my red valve covers. Now if you're looking on top of the valve cover, I'm missing one of the PCV attachments altogether. It fell off, and then the other one is just, it's still there, but I don't have a catch can. I had this one on the intake side. It was held down with some RTV in the meantime, just because I wanted a fitting. That's part of the reason why, like, I don't know if you guys can see like that little that little stripe. I made that with my finger because of all the oil. You know, it's just been kind of getting into the engine bay. Now I have the catch can for it. I already have a spot where I'm gonna put this. You guys will see in just a second. I'm gonna be able to keep my battery there, which I'm very happy about. But these are dash 10 fittings, so that means I also had to pick up these. So I got a new to me set of 2JZ VVTi valve covers. Got them freshly powder coated purple. I did purple because my fuel rail right over here is purple. Whenever it's cleaned up, it's pretty much the exact same purple. So very excited about that, because with, you know, just the slight purple touches, and then I have, you know, the big intake manifold, shiny turbo, and then I'm going to end up getting the PHR pulley kit where, you know, they're the black billet finish on the pulleys, so it'll all kind of tie together really well, which is what I'm very excited about. But on top of the valve covers, I also got this timing gear cover. So it is carbon fiber themed. I think it's dipped. I don't think it's powder coated, because it's not real carbon fiber. Like, I'm just gonna break that now. I'm pretty sure it is dipped, because like in certain parts of it, yeah, like there you can kind of see where it gets like it follows like a little pattern, like with the lines. Not saying that I have problems with it, but just observations. But huge shout out to Ethan from Underground Tuning Texas. He got these powder coated and then shipped to me like within like 2 or 3 days. So I am very happy. Thank you again, man. I couldn't have been happier with how they turned out. So might have some brake calipers for you too. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with that install, because I also, like I said, gotta install my catch can. I have a turbo blanket I would like to put on, but we'll just see how motivated I feel. I probably will, because then my engine bay will look like it makes like 600 horsepower, but in reality I'm only at like 3.
We got some action. 93 to infinity. Kill all that wax. This is how we get. I'm right here, nigga. Beats the hand.
A little bit too big, because the shoulders on my stock ones, they are a little taller, so I had to get new bolts that are 5 mils shorter, and now I'm just installing all of those. But currently I'm also waiting for a tap and die set, because this one right here, I don't know, I guess I must have just accidentally, like, just wasn't paying attention and put it in sideways, but cross-threaded. Not the bolt, thankfully, just the hole. So I got a tap and die set coming to rescue me. Also, all of like the fittings and stuff for the catch can showed up, so I'm probably just gonna be doing all that. Won't be too much commentary, I don't think. So yeah. Look how much better that looks already. It's gonna look like a race car. Not a fast one, but at least it'll look like one. And for you guys wondering, my catch can is sitting right there, right in front of the fan shroud. So there's a stud that already goes there from factory, so it just slipped right on and it tucks right into there, and now it's starting to look gorgeous. Alright, we got it running. It's looking a lot cooler. So I don't know what happened, but I guess I just didn't record an outro. But everything's all done, everything works. I didn't end up getting that turbo blanket because I started leaking coolant when I took it on a drive. Thankfully it doesn't smell like oil anymore, so that's always nice. I will do the turbo blanket next, and some other things. But I'm just happy to get this done and over with because it changes the whole engine bay. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, I hope you guys subscribe. I'm trying to do a lot more. I'm trying to get this manual swapped, and you know, the list goes on and on. So hopefully you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next video.